chicken, some cabbage. Got the little Johnny Harris sauce for the chicken. And of course I had to give the kids some of their fave. So yeah, I'm about to clean the chicken and season it, and then I have to straighten up my room, take the laundry, look at the kids. They're over there playing on their little tablets and stuff. Yeah, so let me go ahead and prep for dinner.
Watch this. Open it.
Hold on, I gotta open the trunk right quick. Hold on. Put it down, CJ.
Put it down.
Let me open the trunk.
All right. Be careful, Daddy.
Hold on, CJ, wait.
Careful.
You got it?
Careful, you got it. All right, Daddy.
You better be a big boy.
He is strong.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in there.
Dinner is served. Okay, don't play with us. Dinner is served. Okay, guys, I finally made it upstairs in my room. I'm about to fold my little clothes and just straighten up a little bit. And have to, I don't know how I accumulate all this stuff on my bathroom counter, but I have to, you know, clean this off, and then I think I'm gonna, you know, chill out for a little while because your girl is a little tired. I've been up since like 7-ish, 8-ish, because I had to take my daughter to work, and I really didn't get a lot of sleep last night because my youngest kept me up, so I'm a little sleepy, you know. But anyway, so let me fold these little clothes and, you know, do all that good stuff. finished folding the clothes, put them up, but your girl had to wash because I was a little been running around, so I had a little freshen up. Now I'm finally about to clean up my little bathroom. I really don't have to clean it up. I just have to, you know, get all this stuff that I have on the counter. I need to get that up, and I think I'm gonna let my daughter do my little nails because they look a little rough. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay guys, I'm in the kitchen. Everybody has eaten dinner, so I got these little containers from the dollar store today. So I am going to wash them out first, and then I'm just gonna pack dinner in there, the leftovers, so they can eat it tomorrow. So, all right. So, chicken. Take the chicken and put it in here. There we go. I could have really did use tongs, but I'm being lazy. I don't feel like rinsing the tongs out after I do this. So then I'm gonna take some of the little juice and, you know, pour it over it. Eee. There we go. There we go. Rinse off my hand. Rinse. So we got this one out the way. Now we just got the cabbage. A spoon for this. Cabbage we gotta pour in here. So I got the cabbage and bam. Alright. So we're just gonna put these in the refrigerator. So they can eat that for lunch. I'm gonna use this bowl right here for the little bit of rice we have. Put it in there. It's not a lot, but Delia probably gonna eat this. She loves white rice, so definitely. And where we have it. Now I just have to rinse this pot out right here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. I mean, I might reuse it, might not, just might toss that one. But anyway, so, and this is the bread right here, which I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna wrap it up some more and leave it out, because trust and believe, they won't eat it before the night is over. They just love Hawaiian bread, so I don't have to worry about that. So basically, I just have to wash this pot out right there, and then I'll be done with the kitchen. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And let me show you guys my nails that my daughter did. These are the nails. They're super cute. Look. Super cute. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching. And guys, comment below, what do you want me to post, you know, my next video. I have a couple ideas. I know I got a couple product videos that I'm about to drop for you guys. So yeah guys, so see ya. Thanks for watching again.